Welcome back, you guys, to the Queen Aqua with the girl Jakayla Breon here. And I know I look a hot mess, right? I have my locks up inside of a little pony here, and I'm still inside of my nightgown. By the way, if you like this, it is now on my Depop shop for purchase, okay? But I am here to give you guys a garden update, okay? And yeah, let's go ahead and hop off into it. All right, you guys, so this is what it looks like now. So I'm going to start over here. So I actually planted some carrot seeds in this one, and I have nothing yet, but I'm not going to give up. Okay, so yeah, this is to be continued. So and y'all, look, I just brought some ant killer. I would love for someone to give me some type of advice on how to kill ants, okay? And thank you, okay? So over here, I remember showing you all the tomato that I was growing, and it was nothing up yet. I just had planted the seeds from a store-bought tomato. So this is the result. And actually after that video, everything started to come up out of the soil. So it was really crazy. It was like the day up after I posted the first video. And then yeah, so this is what it looks like now. I gave one to my niece, so hers is growing really well too. The actual leaves is coming out. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but they are coming out. So yeah, I have my faith with this. We're just going to see how it's going to get, okay? Now this is something that I am now doing, y'all. I don't know if you all have been seeing it on YouTube, but a lot of people, they start or they grow potatoes from store-bought potatoes. So these were some that I had in the house, and they began to, you know, get roots and stuff. So I brought them out here. All I have to do is just add the soil now, but they actually have, yeah, quite a roots here, and there is actually some leaf there. And yeah, so I am pretty excited about it. I don't really know how it's going to turn out, but you know, everything is just, I don't know, I'm just pretty excited about it. So I'm just going with the flow, and more roots that are coming out. So yeah, we just have to see how everything is going to turn out. But I am going to put the soil in here, so next time you see this, it'll have the soil, and then maybe some videos after that, you know, it'll really be inside of a bucket or something. So now this is something that is new. I end up buying German thyme. It smells really good. Like, you can actually smell the basil and the thyme. Like, it smells fucking amazing. Like, so I have been having this now for about a week and a half, well, maybe 2 weeks now. And this is basil. Everything is nice, and this, it literally smells good. Like, if you touch it, your hand is gonna smell like basil. Like, it smells fucking amazing. It smells like my grandma's house when she would be cooking. And I'm actually going to show y'all what I am growing up front, okay? So I got this a feather from Corpus Christi when I went fishing, and I just decided to put that in there. It just kind of makes everything look pretty. But in here we had the mustard greens, and as you can see, it's really nothing going on. Like, we have only like one leaf, and it's another leaf that is growing up in there, but it's really nothing going on here. I really haven't really been messing with that, but I don't really know. But let's hope for something, or I just really have to find a solution to that one. So under here is the broccoli. So this is something that is really growing. Look at this. This is one broccoli stem here, and this is the biggest one that we have here that is growing a lot of leaves on here. So it's really lovely to see. And we have a few more back there, little small ones back there. So yeah, I can't wait for this. I don't really know how this is going to turn out because I didn't put it into separate pots, but I'm hoping for the best with either one of them, okay? Or one of them, okay? So we can have some broccoli. So in here, we actually had the lettuce in this one, and I got nothing from the lettuce. So I end up potting radish seeds in here, and y'all, these are growing tremendously. Like, look how tall that is. Well, I don't want to say how tall, but it's big enough. And yeah, we have 3 that germinated, so I can't wait for that, y'all. Like, I'm really excited for that in some time. So I just been keeping this down here because it does great down here. So that's really that. So that's the update with this one. And yeah, I kind of love how that looks. And I don't really know how many I planted in here, maybe about like 5 or 6, and 3 I came up, so that is really good. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. And so over here, y'all, it's a lot of things going on over here. So I actually had another bean that came up, but it kind of like broke, right? It broke. So all I have is this one, and leaves are like continuing to like burn and fall off or whatever like that. But there's also, you know, always a lot of leaves that come back or whatever like that. But I don't really know about it. I guess it's because of the sun and the position that this is in. So I really have to find a way how to kind of keep the sun from harming this here. So if you guys have any type of tips, please, or advice, give it all to me. I really want to find like something to like cover this, so we just have to go and find that or whatever like that. And look at this, I got this from a Corpus as well. I thought this was really cute, and I picked it up on the side of the water. So I love it. I love little things like this. Okay, so over here is the mustard greens, y'all. When I say I don't really know what's going on, I don't really know, but I had to cut back a lot of leaves from this because just like the space that it's in, it's like it's cutting it and stuff. As you can see, this one really pretty dead almost, and you know, it's just like a lot of spots and stuff on this. Like, I guess it's probably because of the sun, but the growth is very tremendous. Like, it grows a lot or whatever like that. But I don't really know, you guys, but I'm just going with the flow. And I mean, like the little white stuff, it comes off when I wipe it off and stuff, because I had wiped down the leaves or whatever like that. But I don't really know what's going on here. But this is, I don't really know what's going on inside this planter. Okay, this is like my only thing that is, you know, I'm just having a bit of an issue with, but I'm not going to stop. But the leaves are really growing, like it's leaf after leaf. Okay, so I do love to see the growth though. So yeah, so inside of this planter box, this is a new one that I got from Home Depot as well, and it's pretty bigger than this one, but it's not as deep as this one is. So in this one, I'm only going to put herbs and flowers in this one. I already have the herbs that I want to put in here and the flowers, and I'll probably buy more, but who knows. It's pretty long to have some flowers and herbs in there. And here's my little bucket, if you guys remember from the first video. And I actually got some gloves now, so I only use these gloves here, these, which is really cool. And these are like, this is everything that I have. And this is actually new to the collection, which is peppermint and some chamomile, which is what I love to put in my tea. I actually have both of these in my own tea, which is actually available on my website. Okay, and I went and brought sunflower, which is going to be in the ground though, dahlias, this is zinnias that we already have. I brought some sage, then we have the basil, and oh yeah, I have some kale that's going to go in the ground as well, some okra that's going to go in the ground, And then we have the radish and then the carrots. And so yeah, I can't wait to really see everything flourish. So all of the herbs and the flowers are gonna go in there, or the ones that I choose to go in there, okay? So now we're gonna head off into the front so that you can see what's inside of the front. Alrighty, you guys, so in here I have zinnias, okay? This is a zinnia. Now this is the only one that came up, but it is really huge. Like, it is really growing up here, y'all. Look at that. This is really growing. Okay, like, I'm so in love. I don't even know how it's going to turn out, but I pray it turns out how it's supposed to turn out. And look at this one. This is another one I got from Corpus. It's really pretty and unique, so I thought I will put it in here to decorate that in another shell. And then over here we have basil. This is the only basil that I have grown from seed, and you can look, these leaves are actually really healthy, and we have another set that is coming right there. And at first I thought it was another zinnia until later on, like, the shape begun to form, and I'm like, yo, this is a fucking basil. Like, I've been trying to grow a basil from seed for about 4 months now, and I have gotten nothing. But this one, it have come up, and I guess it's really because it's in the front, so it's not like a lot of sun or something, but I don't know, I love it. And yeah, so over here, this is my parsley. So this is curled parsley, and I love this. There's actually a lot of growth that is coming, like, from it. All this is like a lot of growth that it really wasn't there before, but it's here now. So I'm really excited about this, and to see where it goes and how I can really use this in food and salad and stuff. I actually ate some the other day, and it tastes really good, and I love it. And y'all, look at my new babe. I love this plant. Her name is Sandy, and she's getting some growth. Look at that. And another one actually sprouted open too, this one, and you can see another one that's coming up. So this is Andy. She is really, really beautiful. So now over here, I put sage and lavender in this one. Now this was only just like a experiment or whatever like that. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but I think I'm going to move it to the back to get more sun or whatever like that, because up front, I don't really like a lot of stuff up here. So yeah, and this is the reason why. So there is a lot of bugs in this one, and this is nothing but zinnias, and they're actually pretty dying, I guess. So yeah, I think that they are all dying because of what is in here, and I don't even know what this is, but I barely moved this to the front. I took it from the back because I noticed how the front zinnia that I recently showed you with the basil up there is pretty big. So I thought by moving it up here, you know, like, it will grow more, but I don't really see anything. I just see a lot of this white stuff here, and it's like a lot of little bugs in here, and I don't really like it. So I think I'm going to redo this, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed the little mini garden update, because I actually did, going around and looking at everything. So I can't wait for mini garden 3, the episode 3. This is episode 2, so I guess I'm making this a series. How about that? How about it? I hope you guys like it, okay? But yeah, I can't wait to get busy tomorrow. I'm going to be putting in the herbs and the flower seeds in here, and whatever else I want to do. I may actually do more lettuce seeds as well, but put them in the training pots. I don't know, just to do things. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe so that I know you guys want to see more garden updates, okay? yeah, all of my services, my website, all of the links, everything will be down below. Please go and check out my website and subscribe there too, okay? Because I am taking I am taking time away from social media, and all I have is my website and YouTube, okay? And my Depop, but that's really it. I don't know. I just kind of need that time away from all of that outside entertainment, okay, and distractions, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, I can't wait to share more. And thank you all. It's your girl, the Queen Aqua, Jaquela Brion, and I'm out. Bye.